Today, I'll show you how to create a welcome flow in Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing tool that helps you build meaningful relationships with your subscribers right from the start. A welcome flow is an automated email series that engages new subscribers and introduces them to your brand. This tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring you set up your welcome flow with ease and precision. To begin, you'll want to access Klaviyo and navigate to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but what we're interested in is the Flows tab. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all the magic happens, as this section is dedicated to creating and managing your email flows. Once you're in the Flows section, take a look at the top right of your screen. You'll see a blue button labeled Create Flow. Click this button to start the process of building your new welcome flow. This button is your gateway to crafting personalized email experiences for your subscribers. Now you'll notice a search bar has appeared. In this bar, type the words Welcome Series. This will help you quickly locate the pre-designed templates that Klaviyo offers. These templates are optimized for specific store integrations, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Choose the standard Welcome Series template that matches your store's integration. This template is designed to streamline the process, ensuring you have a strong foundation for your email series. Once you select the template, a setup modal will pop up on your screen. This is where you get to personalize your flow. First, you'll need to name your flow. Consider something straightforward and descriptive, like Welcome Series, New Subscribers. Naming your flow clearly helps you easily identify it later, especially when you have multiple flows running. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Trigger. This is crucial because it determines what activates your welcome flow. Click on the drop-down menu and select Subscriber List. This choice ensures that your flow is triggered whenever someone new subscribes to your list, guaranteeing they receive a warm welcome as soon as they join. With your flow named and trigger set, you're ready to bring your welcome flow to life. Click on the Create Flow button. And just like that, you've successfully set up a welcome flow in Klaviyo. This flow will now automatically send a series of carefully crafted emails to your new subscribers, helping to build rapport and introduce them to your products or services. Creating a welcome flow in Klaviyo is not just about automation, it's about creating a memorable first impression. By following these steps, you ensure that every new subscriber receives a consistent and engaging introduction to your brand, setting the tone for a positive customer relationship. Remember, the key to a successful welcome flow is to keep your messages genuine and aligned with your brand's voice. As you grow more comfortable with Klaviyo, feel free to customize and tweak your flow to better suit your audience's needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial and happy emailing.